In the world of pristine windows, the debate often centres around hiring professional window cleaners or embarking on the task as a DIY venture. As trusted experts at RedClean, we understand the nuances involved. Let's explore why professional window cleaner might be the perfect solution for you. When it comes to maintaining the clarity of your windows, the choice between DIY and professional cleaning services is crucial. Expertise and experience. Professional window cleaners bring a wealth of expertise to the table. Years of experience allows them to navigate the intricacies of different window types, identifying the most effective cleaning methods without risking damage. Time efficiency. Time is a precious commodity and professional cleaners can save you a considerable amount. While a DIY approach might consume your weekend, the experts streamline the process, leaving you with sparkling windows without disrupting your schedule. Specialised equipment. One of the advantages of hiring professionals is access to high-quality specialised equipment. From water-fed poles to environmentally friendly cleaning solutions, these tools elevate the cleanliness of your window to a level that might be challenging to achieve independently. Safety first. Window cleaning often involves heights and precarious positions. Professionals are trained to handle such situations safely, minimising the risk of accidents or damage to your property. At RedClean, we use a water-fed pole system so our feet are always firmly attached to the ground. Long-term preservation. Regular professional cleaning contributes to the longevity of your windows. Removal of contaminants and grime prevents deterioration, ensuring your windows stay crystal clear for years to come. Reasons for DIY cleaning. Cost considerations. One of the individual primary reservations is the cost of hiring professionals. While the service undoubtedly comes with a price tag, it's essential to weigh this against the potential time and effort saved and the superior results achieved. DIY enthusiasts. Some homeowners take pride in maintaining their own living spaces independently. For the avid DIY enthusiast, window cleaning is satisfying, providing a sense of accomplishment. However, it's crucial to recognise this skill and precision required for optimal results. Availability of resources. If you have the necessary equipment, cleaning solutions and time at your disposal, a DIY approach might seem more appealing. However, it's essential to note that professional grade equipment often surpasses what's available to the average homeowner, contributing to a more thorough clean. Privacy concerns. Inviting professionals into your home raises privacy considerations for some individuals. While reputable companies prioritise customer confidentiality, those who value privacy may prefer handling window cleaning independently. Environmental impact. Some individuals are conscious of the environmental impact of cleaning solutions. While many professional services now offer eco-friendly options, those committed to entirely green cleaning might find solace in controlling the products used during a DIY session. At RedClean, we understand that considerations of cost and privacy often accompany the decision to invest in professional window cleaning. Our commitment to providing exceptional services extends beyond just the sparkle of your window. It's about offering a hassle-free solution tailored to your needs. The cost of our service is a small investment compared to the valuable time and effort that you would expend on a DIY window cleaning endeavour. Time is a precious resource, and our goal is to liberate you from meticulous tasks of window cleaning, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. Our experienced team is dedicated to efficiency without compromising the quality of our work, ensuring that your windows shine with the utmost clarity in a fraction of the time it might take if done independently. Privacy is paramount, and at RedClean we take great pride in our unblemished record of serving many thousands of customers without any privacy concerns. Our commitment to professionalism and respect for our client spaces is unwavering. Your trust is our priority, and we strive to create an experience that meets and exceeds your expectations.